guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a prom look. So if you guys do want to learn how to do these prom looks and you want to save some coins, if not, leave the video and go pay for your motherfucking makeup artist to go do it. But if not, if you want to save some coins and be smart, you're gonna watch this video, learn how to do this look, and you're gonna go to prom slaying to the gods, period. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prime our face because you're going to prom. You're going to be up all night. You want your makeup to stay on all night. So priming your face is essential. I suggest you go out and get the best primer you can get. So I'm just going to start off by using some concealer. And this is... I'm just gonna blend it out so I can start my eyes. Voila. So next we're gonna go into our Juvia's Place. And the first color we're gonna go into is this color right here. And then we're going to go into this color over here. So first we're going to go into Fez. I'm actually going to spray my brush so that the product can stick better. So I'm going to put Fez into my crease. I'm going to pack it on really thick. See? Next I'm going to go into Taza. And that's the orangey color. I'm gonna blend out all of that harshness. Then I'm gonna go back into Fez, darken it up again. So now that I have both colors on, I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm gonna darken up the outer corner a bit. Then I'm gonna go into the Masquerade mini, and this is a Juvia's palette too, and I'm gonna go in and use Falani. I'm gonna darken up my outer corner. Then I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush. I'm just gonna blend it all out so that it can look real good. So next I'm gonna go, this is gonna be the fun part. So next I'm gonna go into NYX LOTD, which is Lip of the Day liquid lip liner, and it looks like we can use this on our eyes. You can use anything. Okay, not anything. So we're gonna use this on our eyes. So instead of doing like a whole extra cut crease and all that, this is just a faster way to get a really like pigmented look without having to use a whole cut crease method and all that stuff. Like, no one wants to be doing a cut crease every single day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a mirror and I'm just gonna put it all on my eyelids. So as you guys can see, just by putting it once, like, it's pigmented as when you are getting to the end of your eye, you're just gonna try to like go like this and fade it. You're gonna give it a gradient effect so that you get an ombre look. Like, that was real quick. So right now you have the most dramatic look without even having to do the most. So now I'm gonna go back in with my eye brush, and I'm gonna use Fez again. So I'm gonna use Fez and I'm gonna blend the lip liner and the eyeshadow to give it a much better gradient effect. have a well blended eye look. So now I'm gonna just use a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm gonna stop right at the end of my eye. I'm not doing a wing. I don't do wings. I'm sorry, it's not my thing. So now you have your eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This is the eyelash in Bossy, and I think that this is like probably the perfect eyelash for prom because it's really dramatic, so thick, and it gives you that like glam look. Like, look at it. Like, it is very, 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 very thick. Okay, so what I did was, well, you don't have to do this step, but what I did was I have some like glitter, some gold glitter, just to make it look a little bit more. Oh my god, hell no, everything just dropped. I don't know if you guys can see, but the flakes are really, really big. It's not your normal thing. So what I did was I just gently glided it across my eyelid and put like one or two. I put a few. Okay, so I'm gonna use an orange corrector. If you guys don't know, orange correctors are for like dark spots. If you have dark spots on your face, the orange corrector will get rid of it, kind of, so that it's not seeping through your foundation. Orange corrector will be amazing for prom because you want your makeup looking as flawless as possible. There's a lot of sunlight right now, so I don't know how I look on camera. If I look weird, set my face. Maybe for prom you might want to bake, but I'm not too sure because what if you get flashback, right? I just use my beauty blender and I pat it all into my skin. My face, I feel more like hydrated, like. So I'm just gonna add some of Fez into the bottom of my I'm going to go in with the Masquerade Mini Juvia's palette, and I'm gonna use the color Casablanca. And lately I've been using that as a highlighter because it's such a pretty color. So I'm going to spray my highlight brush. gonna do is I'm gonna take my curler and I'm gonna give myself that. Okay. All you do is put your thing to your head and turn it. I don't know if you have to turn it, but I just do that. And don't burn yourself either. Thank you. Because I won't be responsible. Not at all. Then I'm gonna take my hot comb and hot comb out my sides. Like as we speak, my hair is lifting. So I'm just gonna put some mousse on my edges. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So after you do this look, you can just add your, you know, earrings, your necklace, and boom. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your post notifications so you know every time I post a video, because why wouldn't you want to know when I post a video? Duh.